everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some fun and unique fall decor ideas with a pink twist. If you love pumpkins, fall vibes, and a touch of creativity, you're going to love this video. Let's get into it. First up, I've been obsessed with these adorable pink pumpkin crochet designs. Whether it's a cute pink pumpkin Yoshi or a crochet bag for your fall outings, these add such a whimsical and cozy feel to your decor. You can even try a pink pumpkin crochet lion for a playful touch. Next, let's talk about decorating your table. A table's cape featuring pink pumpkins is perfect for fall gatherings or even just a cozy night in. You can mix in some real pumpkins, crochet pieces, or even pink pumpkin entertainment ideas, like fun, themed centerpieces. And if you want to take your pink pumpkin obsession beyond decor, the Rawman 11 Pink Pumpkin Lip Shade is a beautiful way to bring that fall vibe into your beauty routine. I mean, look at that swatch. It's the perfect autumn color. Finally, let's not forget about pink pumpkin recipes. Whether you're baking a pink pumpkin pie or trying out something new, there are so many delicious ways to bring this theme to your fall festivities. So, there you have it. Pink pumpkins are a fun, creative way to put a twist on traditional fall decor. From crochet pieces to delicious recipes, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fall inspiration.